Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, northern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, northern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 5 p.m. At 4:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Woodstock to near Hunley to Virgil, moving east at 65 to 70 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Elgin, Arlington Heights, Schaumburg, Palatine, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates, Glenview, Elmhurst, Buffalo Grove, Carroll Stream, Carpentersville, Wheeling, Park Ridge, Addison, Northbrook, St. Charles, Mundelein, Algonquin and Highland Park. Including the following interstates: Interstate 90 between mile markers 35 and 80. Interstate 94 between mile markers 16 and 28. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 12. Interstate 294 between mile markers 16 and 28. Interstate 355 between mile markers 29 and 30. This includes Oakton Community College, Schaumburg Boomers Baseball, Elgin Community College, Harper College, and McHenry County College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. This is no